Good morning. Happy Monday. Hope we all had a wonderful weekend. Last week, our math lesson was subitizing. So we're going to do a quick review of subitizing. I'm going to ask you some quick review questions. We're going to go over composing numbers up to 5, and then we're going to do a few simple addition problems up to 5. All right, hope you're ready. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do for our subitize review is we're going to roll our die here. We're going to do it 3 times, and I'm going to ask you to find the number. Here we go. Here's our first roll. 3. So we rolled our die, and our next thing we're going to do is we're going to find it. So I'm going to hold up 2 options, and I want you to point to the screen, and I want you to tell me, where is 3? Here we go. Okay. Find the 3. Where's 3? Okay, did you get it? I sure hope you did. Let's move on to the next question. Here's our second roll. 2. The next number we rolled was a 2. So find the 2. Here we go. Point to the 2. All right. Let's go on to our third choice. Here's our third roll. 4. The final number we rolled was a 4. So let's find it. Point to the 4. All right, let's move on. Okay, so that was our subitizing review. Continue working on that skill at home, and we're going to move on to composing numbers up to 5. Now, when we compose a number, we're making a number. For example, if I say make the number 4, you'd create 4. Okay. Now, you can also use combinations. So if I said make 4, you can say 2 and 2 make 4. Okay. For this activity, I'm going to use our little counter bears here. At home, feel free to use anything you have. Blocks, toys, you can use cookies, crackers, pieces of paper, whatever you have laying around will work. We're going to use the same 3 numbers we used in our subitizing review. So as you can see, I already have 1 bear set up. Let's make the number 3. So let's do this together. We got 1, 2, 3. We have 3. The next number we used was 2. So go ahead and take a moment and make the number 2, and then I will make the number 2. Okay, here we go. I have 1 already, and 1 more makes 2. We've got 1, 2. Let's make the number 4. Go ahead and make the number 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Now let's make 4 again. Let's start with 2. We have 2 bears. What do we need to make 4? How many more bears to make 4? Go ahead and do it. All right, here we go. 1, 2 more. Now we have a total of 4 bears. Now let's compose the number 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 bears. So that was composing. So continue to work on that at home. Now we're going to move on to addition, and we are going to use our addition sign and our equal sign for this as well. Remember, when we add, we are giving more to a number. We're making it bigger. Here's our first addition problem. We have 1 plus 2 equals, take a moment to figure it out. The answer is 3. 3 bears. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Our next problem is 1 plus 3 equals. Okay, the answer is 4. We have 4 bears. Our final addition problem today is 1 plus 4 equals. Take a moment to figure it out. And our answer is 5. 5 bears. Another way to practice your addition at home and make it more visual is by using your counters. And we can start with our first problem we did. 1 plus 2. We have our 1. Now let's add 2. 1, 2. We have 3 bears. 1 plus 2 equals 3. This way, it really connects to subitizing and composing skills. If you want to incorporate some core vocabulary into your math lesson, here are a few phrases you can use. You, put, you, make. You can say 1 plus 2 is. You can ask them, what is the answer? You can say, put more, or I'm finished. So that is our math lesson today. Let's quickly review. We did subitizing, composing numbers, simple addition problems. Continue working on these skills at home. Use any materials you have and make it fun. Keep up the good work. Take care.